Today I'm at the house alone with Mita actually, so it's just the two of us and we're gonna camp here. Last time there was like a bat invasion, so I think I'm gonna just lay the tent around here and just enjoy myself. But I have a few things that I want to do. So I wanted to create a path also there because it's a very beautiful little walking trail that goes to the woods, but now it's so filled with vegetation that you can't walk in there. There's so much to do, and at the same time I don't know what to do. I guess one thing at a time. But I need to find a spot for the compost toilet, and for some reason I was thinking that way, but I also love the walking trail that was there before, so I don't really know. I guess I'm gonna go to the river. It's gonna be a little walk with Mita, and then I'll set up the tent and relax, I guess, for the evening. Okay, it's 5:30 p.m. and I'm about to set up the tent. I absolutely need to make a jam. Look at this. Delicious. Now I put some of my knitwear, long sleeve, because it's getting chilly, and some long pants, and I turned on the camera because I need to show you what I'm eating. This is what I'm eating. Beans with with this cashew and peanuts spice kind of mix, and it's delicious. I also put some celery, and this looks like dog food, but it's absolutely delicious. And I'm using my hand-carved olive wood spoon. I made it in Portugal and I really love it. But I love this food. Looks like 1 out of 10, but it tastes like, I would say 10 out of 10 right now. I don't know, it tastes delicious. Gonna finish eating and then I'm just gonna go to bed. And we'll see. Finger crossed tonight will be absolutely okay and fine, and I'll just sleep really nice. Let's say that I survived the night. What a night. What a night. I spotted some nettle seeds here. Nettle seeds are full of minerals and proteins and vitamins. They really aid our organism with good nourishment. So I'm gonna put that in the oatmeal too. Okay, the first thing that I want to do today is to get some gardening done. And I have these pumpkin seedlings. I'm gonna try and plant these pumpkins that I got gifted actually from the gardening center. They're not looking their very best, let's say, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes, if they'll grow. And I'm not sure I'll sow some seeds. I have a box full of seeds and I would like to start planting, but I don't think it's super smart since there is no water and we have to carry the water from afar. So I'm gonna plant this and we hope for the best. We hope they will grow. can't believe it. We found this place. It's so hot. So I took the car and I was like, I need to find a place where I can dip myself in cold water because it's too hot to work. And so I just took the car and we drove for 10-12 minutes and we arrived nearby this absolutely gorgeous stream, and down there are beautiful like pools of water, natural water. So I think I'll spend the rest of the day here. I'll just enjoy myself and relax and enjoy this absolutely mind-blowingly beautiful place. Oh, I'm so full. I ate so much. Mita also ate some of the pasta with some of her food. It was delicious, but I ate so much now. I feel really like that I want to wind down. Maybe I'm gonna knit a little bit, read, and then I'll prepare to go to sleep. I hope this night everything will be good and there will be no animals, no predators, just me and Mita sleeping peacefully, finger crossed. Anyhow, I think I'll end the episode here. Thank you so much for joining me today. It was really nice to bring you along with me. I mean the camera, and then knowing that someone also watches it, it feels really nice. And I'll see you next time.